Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to log into your Octa Trading account. To log into Octa Trading account, first of all, open up the Octa mobile application on your mobile device. In the welcome screen, choose one of these login options. You can log in using your Facebook account, Google account, or with your Apple ID. You can also log in with email. Tap the email option to do so. Now make sure that you've selected the login option at the top right and enter your login credential in the respective text boxes. Type in your email address associated with your existing Octa Trading account and enter the password for your account in the next field. If you don't remember the password, tap the Forgot Password link and follow through the reset process. After filling in your credential, tap on Login. And right after you do that, you will be logged into your Octa Trading account. So that's it for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, don't forget to like, share or subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.